Hi, welcome to Sumri P. I've got a fantastic melt in your mouth rice flour cookie today. Simple ingredients, only 3 ingredients, tahini, maple and rice flour. So if you'd like to see how to make a simple rice flour cookie, no eggs, come with me and let's see. So first step, pop your oven on 180 degrees C or 350 Fahrenheit. And then we're not going to use any stand mixer or anything today. I'm just going to do it in one bowl. So I've just popped it on the scales here because I want to weigh out my tahini paste, but I'm just going to grab my recipe. Okay, I've got my trusty little recipe here. My memory doesn't always serve me correct, so I like to look at my notes. So I've grabbed my large baking tray and I've lined it with some paper. So that's all set, ready to go. So in this bowl, we're going to add half a cup of maple syrup that I've already poured out. So this recipe makes about 16 to 20 small cookies. If you don't want that many, just halve the recipe. And then we're going to add some tahini paste. We want half a cup, but I didn't want to fuss putting it in a half cup measure because then it just dirties another vessel. So we're going to measure out 130 grams. So that's 130 grams of rice flour that I've just popped in there, which is roughly about 1 cup. So that forms our cookie dough now. And depending on how hot your oven, how hot your kitchen is, you might want to pop this in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. So I've got my dough mix out of the fridge, just like a heaped teaspoon, and I'm rolling it in my hands and just dumping it on the tray. Because they're still a bit soft, they're not going to be too ball-like. So I'm just patting them with my fingers. And then optional, makes it 4 ingredients, but a little bit of sesame seeds on top. Just pat them down so the sesame seeds stick. Now we're going to bake these for 8 minutes in our warm oven. Keep an eye on them because your tray might need rotating halfway through. So here we have my rice flour cookies, all baked. And let's do a taste test. See the golden brown on the bottom. They're crunchy on the outside, yet soft in the middle. And the maple syrup is only slightly sweet, but a little bit woody. So the flavors of the tahini and the maple go really well together. And the rice flour makes it soft. So it's almost like an almond flour or almond meal cookie. I love them. I hope you try this. And let me know in the comments below if you try this recipe and you like it. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I'm doing 3 videos a week this year just to get more recipes out there for all my followers. And thank you for watching. Oh, before you go, click up here. You might want to check out some of my other videos. Okay, see you later.